Welcome to DIYEasyCrafts.com. Today we're going to take a look at do-it-yourself lawn paint. Now this lawn paint or grass paint, the particular product that I used was Lawn Star, and I found this on Amazon. There are other products that do a very similar job. This is really just the only one that I'm familiar with. And you mix it with water as directed, and you just use a garden sprayer to apply it. This is the before and the after picture. So this is great for areas with drought, really any lawn that you need to just look a little bit better than it does. This particular property, the lawn is almost hay, completely brown. I'm going to put in an irrigation system, but until then, I just wanted the property to look a little bit better. So I picked up one of the pump-up lawn sprayers in the garden section of Home Depot, and for under $30, I bought a container of the Lawn Star grass paint. They tell you to apply it in a circular motion, and I found that really the grass needed two coats. One decent coat, and then I just went back over it a second time lightly. You can also mix the dye or the tint in a heavier proportion with the water in order to get a brighter green or a darker green. Really depends on how much brown you're covering. It applied very quickly. I actually found that I applied it kind of in straight lines, almost like you were painting with a spray can, and it was just faster. And then when I went back for the second coat, I applied it in the circles that they recommended. This product apparently is supposed to last about 100 days. You do have to apply it to dry grass, and it has to stay dry for 2 or 3 hours after you apply it. I think I did the front lawn of this property about a half hour, maybe 40 minutes. So this is the before picture. It's pretty brown. And this is the after picture. So it's not absolutely perfect, but it looks a whole hell of a lot better. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this short little do-it-yourself video. If you did, I ask that you please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this YouTube channel. By all means, check us out on the web at DIYEasyCrafts.com. I've got a bunch of do-it-yourself videos on there, a variety of different projects for the homeowner. Thank you very much for watching.